Oh yeah, she's a little.
Uh-oh.
SpaghettiOs. Let's bring it over.
You got some shinies?
We got some paste.
Look at that boy. Walks like Sasquatch.
Battery's no good.
Why is it not good?
Because it says check battery. That means no bueno. I'll borrow it.
What are you doing with the battery? What's it for?
Oh, Karen.
Who's Karen?
We're just borrowing it, okay? We need to steal tires off it.
This thing's loud.
Steel tires?
Yeah, we're gonna steal tires from the old work truck. You know, all these tires, they don't work.
Oh my god, I love the color. It's actually kind of good. I like the dark army green with the black.
This is the first time that you're seeing old Karen.
Yeah, I've never seen
I
this thing.
think this
You
is
told
good.
me about it. What is this? 396? 454?
396.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's running. You gonna fire it up today or what? That's not even connected.
Nice.
Decent.
Solid work. Decent.
Oh yeah, you got some gas in there now.
Touch that one too. I heard it.
Okay, go for it. Oh yeah, there we go. He's ready. Oh yeah. Runs like a beaut. God damn, this thing doesn't even have hardly any rust. You want to give this truck to me? God damn. That's actually a really clean truck. For a square body anyways. Yeah.
There it is.
Shout out to Harbor Freight.
What you doing there?
Taking off the tire.
So Zach, why are you putting those wheels and tires on?
It's the other set I have.
You have those wheels and tires over there that are
Those are a Ford one, and they're full of water.
4 to 8 load. Okay.
Now the trick is you got to put the board underneath because
So you can get the jack out.
because the diff is too low.
There you go.
Because you got a big old
Tech Tip Tuesday right there, even though it's Friday.
What are you doing for dinner?
barbecue chicken. I fucking told everyone that.
Whoa! Nice.
I don't know. I'm not a chicken expert.
Hey yo, fitment check. I didn't know you had a dog.
Jelly.
Hi. Shop dog. Hi, Joey.
A dumbass.
You're getting low on blinker fluid here. Oh! 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 Damn, you look sexy in that thing.
This is my 1982 GMC Sierra Classic 3/4 ton. There's a big block in it now. Doesn't run very well, as you can probably tell by now. If you guys support us and watch our videos enough that we can start getting sponsorship.
And we get that sponsorship from Texas Speed
Texas Speed, if you're out there.
and Summit Racing.
Summit Racing, Texas Speed, if you're
I
out there.
mean, Cletus could send us some money too.
Please, you know,
He can come out and hang out with us.
I buy your stuff. Why don't you buy our stuff? Come on.
Exactly. Call out to all you guys. Bet you won't send us a sponsorship.
Yeah, bet you can't / won't.
No balls, you won't.
No balls, can't do it. Not once or twice.
Or 5 times.
Or ever, you know? I bet you can't. Stick around.
So you gonna take these heads off or what?
I'm gonna take the intake manifold off.
Hurry up.
Why are these an 8 mil?
Fine assortment.
Here's an 8 mil, but it's full of bread. So we're gonna go to the shop real quick. We're gonna go get some more tools.
Sounds good. Tool run.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
One thing, if you guys didn't know, these LS motors are ambidextrous, so you can put anything on backwards. You can put this head over there and that head over here, and you can even flip your intake manifold. They're very versatile.
You can even put the crankshaft in the camshaft hole.
Yes, sir.
Why is there a bracket under the intake manifold?
You should ask Wes. Because somebody's in the light. That's why. Okay, so now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking these rocker arms off. Damn you, Harbor Freight! Alright, ladies and gents. Turns out the torque on these rocker covers is too much for Harbor Freight to handle. So we're going to have to make another tool run.
That's a bendy ratchet.
Yeah, it's a double jointed one. It was the cheapest one Harbor Freight sold.
Oh, nice.
I wonder why.
Because nobody wanted to buy it.
Because it's double jointed. Like my Aunt Sally.
Come out as one unit, I forgot about that. Bet you fucking Subaru doesn't do that.
No, it doesn't.
They look a little rough. The other ones look less rough.
Should I hit off all these valve keepers? Yeah.
No, you don't need to do that.
Right.
No, you don't. This is not a Subaru. You don't need that.
Although we don't know why it has no oil pressure. Yeah.
Aaron, you stop texting your mom.
This Bryce dude texted me, said you got your car running yet? That's a funny joke.
No! Oh, don't cry, are you?
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice done. There it
I'm
is.
really gassy.
Holy cow, dude.
That was a good one.
That was a nice
That was a
push.
good one.
I think it's dead.
Technical difficulties. Now when you do these,
Oh, that one. Look at that. That is in fact
You
a
know how-
5.3.
you know how you know it's a Chevy motor, not a Subaru motor?
It's
Because
got
that's still intact.
That's how you know you're a pro. See that? 12-foot extension. That is 100% necessary.
Big extension, big wiener.
I don't know who says that, but they're right. What a pro. You're like the Gandhi of working on cars. I don't even know. Ah, take that back. Perfect. Bolts. Bolts, please, sir. You're gonna stab your goddamn finger. Would you like some bolts?
Ow! Why is that so?
I told you. What did I say?
Wow, that was fast.
God, too bad I didn't get it on film.
Yeah, it's because you're a terrible filmer.
I was asking if they wanted some bolts.
Is there something I'm missing here?
I have no idea. I've never taken one of those valley trays off. Whoa!
There it is.
A little oil on my fingers. Whoa! Did you see that? I threw it on forward and it landed on there.
Wow. I'm not laughing.
There you go.
Why do I even use quarters anymore?
Not. Who's there?
I'm missing one.
You gotta color correct it.
I don't do none of that shit. Whoa, let's see the bottom of that.
Yeah. Gotta take off the windage.
Now bring it over here. I thought I saw something in there. Bring it to the light.
Oh yeah, she's a little
Uh-oh.
SpaghettiOs. Let's bring it
That's...
over.
You got some shinies?
We got some paste. Look up in there.
Ooh.
Oopsies.
Let me get a little bit of that.
That's an ouchies.
That's like, anti-seize.
Ouchies. We have ouchies alert.
When he said he didn't run it for very long with no oil pressure, I thought that meant not 20 minutes.
I don't think he was telling the truth.
Yeah, that engine's a little hurt.
That en-
I think you're going to need a little bit of everything on this. You might be able to use a block. Flip that bitch over.
Got some sparklies on the old windage.
Ooh. She's hurt.
She's bad hurt.
Uh-oh.
We got a Knocky boy.
That's your low oil pressure right there. He said it made a little noise. I think he under-exaggerated a little noise.
It makes a little noise.
So we have
Pistonates.
piston 1, 2, 7, and 8. Both have some rod knock to her, so. Oh, and 5.
So you're... Oh, and this one.
Okay, so we're looking at probably a crank.
Definitely going to need a crank, or at least ground.
Yeah, and then some H-beam rods. Some precision bullshit pistons. Hog-ass cam. And a Nagasaki noisemaker.
You're going to have to replace everything on this block.
Like, this is going to be a whole new engine.
This is going to be a new engine. This is going to be a full rebuild, but that's okay. We knew that it had no oil pressure. We knew it was going to be some sort of hurt. We didn't know it was going to have loose rod bearings on almost every single cylinder.
But, you know,
But it was a free engine, right?
free engine.
So that's no problem. No financial hurt yet.
Work in progress.
Technically, by the time you have it rebuilt, it's going to be like you bought one that was already good. But it's going to be rebuilt
With better parts.
with better parts and rebuilt.
All right. Well, ladies and gents, we'll leave you with that.
Thanks for tuning in and watching the LS Teardown. Stay tuned for more YouTube videos, more stupid stuff like this. Be sure to subscribe to their YouTube channel, Mountain Boys Productions. It's okay, Naki. You go when you want.